Hey everybody, welcome to Quarter Mile Muscle. Today we want to take a moment to talk about a very special project. This 1971 Chevelle came to us several years ago as a previously restored project. The owner had a vision for the car and had already started purchasing some of the interior parts and a few cosmetic items. The car seemed to be in good shape, so we started the process of turning a stock big block 4-speed car into a pavement-pounding monster. This car is the result of a lot of hard work and a good deal of skill. We hope you enjoy this look at another great car from Quarter Mile Muscle.